Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is my very first try on video. This is a 1XL. This is a 1XL, guys. This is way bigger than the first bodysuit that was a 3XL. What is happening? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, and that is because it is my very first try on haul video. I did a little bit online shopping and I bought a couple of clothing items and I'm gonna try them on for you, and yeah, we're gonna see if Shein plus size is worth it. Let's get started. I would also like to point out that I followed their size chart to the T, and I got stuff ranging from extra large to, I believe my top size was 2XL. This is what I don't like about online shopping, is that sometimes you have to pay a fee to return them, or you're paying for the shipping to return them, and you're like, but it's not my fault. It's the clothes. They didn't look good. Here's my bag. So the first item is, okay, first of all, I feel like the lighting is fully off and it's gonna be a little bit off because it's white, so bear with me, it's gonna get real dark. But it's a body suit. I don't know. This is a 0XL, guys. And I'm really hoping that the sizes aren't all off. The material is it's thick, which is good because it's white, but it's still a little bit transparent, but not crazy transparent. I guess we'll just have to see when we try it on. Let's try this on. Okay, so here is this white shirt, you guys. I love this shirt. I am so in love with this shirt. There's a couple of things I don't like, but overall, I love it. The things that I don't like are, if you guys could see, there's like a line here, and I think that's where your pants are supposed to go or something. And so this line's a little bit higher on me because I don't want to pull this too low, because I think the girls are showing enough. Also, back here, if you guys could see, there's a pocket of material. It is a little bit big, especially down here. It's a little bit big. I like it so much that I don't even care that it's a little bit big. I'd rather if it's a little bit big than too snug, because then I'll just look like a stuffed sausage. I just love how it looks. It's so cute, guys. So cute. Also, I totally cannot find the prices that I paid for them, so I'm gonna insert prices hopefully right here, and hopefully I did that with the first item, so that you guys could see how much everything costs. So this one is just an XL. This is just a simple leopard shirt, and it has a knot in the bottom, and it's kind of like a short top. And I really like this material. It feels really soft and thin. Not thin, I'm sorry, really soft and kind of thick, but lightweight. So I'm really liking that. It's kind of nylon-y though. It doesn't breathe well, but the color stays vibrant for such a long time. So sometimes I kind of prefer that. What I don't like is that on camera, it kind of looks shiny. In person, there is no shine, but in the camera, it kind of looks shiny. I don't know why. Hopefully I really like this one. The sizing looks good. It's meant to be loose, so let's see how this looks. Okay, so here's the leopard shirt. I'm not in love with this shirt. I feel like if I went to the store and tried this on, I would not buy it. I don't see how it's super poofy right here. I don't like this. I do like the little knot, and I think that's what's creating this puff, but I don't like the puff. I feel like I have a third boob, and the sleeves are really big. I think I could still wear it and I could still feel comfortable in it. I'm just not in love with it. As soon as I put it on, I got hot also. So the material that I was so excited to get, because it didn't fade, I'm already regretting saying that, because I'm sweating profusely. Like maybe this is a good winter shirt because, well, winter in California. Oh, I was like, what is this? Okay, so these are my biker shorts. Oh my God, guys, these stretch. Oh my God. Okay, what size is this? This is 2XL. My God, you guys. I'm telling you, I went exactly what the sizes that they chose were, and I measured myself, and oh my God. I'm gonna, like, look at this. This stretches so much. Like, so much. I'm just really hoping that they just don't slide off. I'm just gonna have to gain weight, guys. If these clothes don't fit, I'm just gonna have to gain weight. I don't see anything around it, you know what I mean? So the front, I don't know if you guys could see, the front has like ruching. I don't know how that's gonna look. Let's try it on. Okay, the next one is a bathing suit. I honestly kind of don't know what I bought. Oh, this is my daughter's bathing suit. I was all, this looks a little small. I bought my daughter a little bathing suit. How cute is this? Okay, so I feel like this next purchase is only a purchase you would do in 2020. And that is a face mask. Okay, I know we're supposed to be doing clothes, but this is another purchase I did that I think I would never do anytime else but 2020. And these are these two little keys, guys. So the whole point of these little keys, and it comes two, is you put them on your keychain, and you're supposed to, like, you grab doors with this. You could press your like buttons when you have to put your ATM code. You could just press things without having to touch surfaces when you go out. I'm probably going to test that along with my masks on my Instagram stories. So make sure you guys are following me. I'll have my, info down below. I'm excited for the shirt. You know what? I really like this material. And even if it doesn't fit, it might fit like exactly where I like it. So it turns out I might not be plus size in Shein. I might just be an extra large, you guys. Okay guys, so here is my Schrute Farms shirt. I'm loving how it feels. I love the thickness of it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's very breathable. I'm really liking this shirt. The only thing that I'm going to be sad is that I know it's going to fade because it's like 100% cotton, and I know this material, and after like 3 washes, I bet you anything it's going to fade. But only time will tell. But I really like how it feels in the chest area and in the hip area. Usually shirts are either too tight here or too loose, and I really like how it just like hugs my hips, and it's like not too long, but it's not like, crop top. So I'm really liking it. Ooh, I'm very excited about this one, guys. I love maxi skirts. Like, I am so in love with them. Oh my God. I love. But I feel like they're so hard to find. Oh my God, this is kind of big. This size is a 3XL. Oh my God, guys. I'm telling you, when I bought online shopping before, I've gotten like a regular large, and it's like the size of a small. And so this time I really went and did exactly what they told me to, and look it. I think these are gonna be too big. I'm either gonna return them or sell them in my Poshmark store, guys. So if you guys want to follow my Poshmark store, make sure to check out the description below. I will have my store linked. But yeah, I'm either gonna return them. I think there's a processing fee to return. So if I can't return, I'm most likely gonna sell them on my store. So if you guys like any of these products. So here is the skirt. I tried it again with my Schrute Farms shirt, because this is how I normally would wear a maxi skirt. I would wear it with a t-shirt tied to the side or tied in the back. It fits me perfect. It fits me right at the ankle. I'm not dragging it, but I'm also not showing my ankles. It definitely is really big. Like I could look at this. Like, it's really big. I could definitely like go like this and it probably will look better. I really do like it a lot, even though it is big, but it's so flowing. It's so spring and summer. I love it so much, guys. This is a 1XL. This is a 1XL, guys. This is way bigger than the first bodysuit that was a 3XL. What is happening? Oh my God. Like here, it's pretty much like the same, but look at this length. Like, what am I, a giraffe? I am so sad, guys. I am so sad. Okay, so then there's this shirt. This is the one that it was really, really long. Now, there is so much, like, I can lower this all the way down. Look at all this ruching, so much ruching, so much material right here. Like, I appreciate a little bit of ruching because, you know, rolls. But I could not wear it with jeans because it looked weird with jeans. So I decided to put it with this maxi skirt to see how it looks. Feels like a bathing suit material. I do like the sleeves. I think they're cute. I like the scoop. I like the neckline. Sizing is totally off. Material is insane. Terrible. Very cute, but not necessarily a favorite. Overall, I actually was impressed with the quality of the clothing. It was a lot thicker than I thought it would be. I really honestly thought it was gonna be like super thin clothes all around, and it wasn't. What I'm totally disappointed in is the sizing. It was all over the place. This is why I really don't like online shopping, because everybody's different. So things are going to look different on every person. And so it's hard to really tell your size sometimes, especially with these online stores. And so I'm a little bit disappointed with sizing. I'm definitely going to try to size down next time I order, but I definitely will try to order again because honestly, the quality of the clothing is not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, all that wonderful mumbo jumbo, and I'll see you guys next time.